In this video, we'll review another affordable electric scooter that you can purchase from Amazon. This is the Fifth Wheel M2, a versatile electric scooter with an affordable price tag and some high-end specs. We'll go over the power, the comfort, battery, brakes, and everything worth highlighting about this scooter, including our likes and dislikes. The setup is fairly straightforward for the scooter. They actually send you two boxes for better protection. The box also contains a lot of foam padding so the scooter doesn't get damaged during shipping. Once you put the scooter upright, all you have to do is plug the main power cord and slide the handlebar into its stem. Next, we just need to secure these two Allen screws and the installation is complete. Make sure to fully charge the scooter before taking it out on a ride. The Fifth Wheel M2 features a 350 watt front hub motor. This is pretty typical with the scooter in this price range these days. With a 350 watt motor, you can expect some power, but definitely not to climb any hills above 10 degrees. Powering that motor is a 36 volt 7.5 amp hour lithium ion battery, which is also typical spec for this range. We typically see about 6 amp hour lithium ion batteries, so this one has a little bit more battery capacity. The manufacturer claims you can get 19 miles of range per charge, but that really depends on your weight and riding conditions. I got somewhere between 14 to 18 miles, so it performs average for the scooter in this class. This scooter features disc brake in the rear and electronic brake in the front. The brakes are quite sensitive and work really well. The Fifth Wheel M2 has 8.5 inches rubber honeycomb Tolit tires. These tires are airless and maintenance free. However, in my opinion, non-pneumatic tires tend to be bumpier, which is the case with this scooter. Even though the scooter features some great shock absorption and work well for urban city commute, but it's definitely bumpy for uneven roads. You can hop some small curves with an ease with this scooter though. One of the unique features on the Fifth Wheel M2 is its folding mechanism. This is one of the best folding mechanism I have seen on scooters in this price range. You have to lift this side bracket, fold the scooter, and then lock the folding mechanism afterwards. At just 33 pounds, this is a really lightweight scooter and portable for you to take anywhere. The frame is rigid and made from durable magnesium alloy and can withstand up to 220 pounds of max load, which we somewhat tested. The cockpit of this scooter has very comfortable rubber handlebar grips, a thumb throttle, the main center screen, a mechanical bell, and the disc brake lever. It also features a unique side power button. We typically see this power button in the very top on other scooters. The main screen shows information such as the current speed, the unit, speed mode, trip odometer, and battery levels. Double pressing on the power button allows you to switch from different speed modes, 1 being the slowest and 3 being the fastest at around 15.5 miles per hour. Pressing the power button once turns on the headlight. It features a well-projected headlight to keep you safe during the night as well as rear tail lights. The scooter also features an app that can be used to control various settings. Now let's talk about some of my likes and dislikes about this electric scooter. I like the portability. You can really take this scooter anywhere. This is a great transportation, especially during the high fuel prices we're seeing these days. I like the unique folding mechanism, as it is more durable and easier to use compared to other scooters we have tested in this price range. It has a powerful motor, decent range, and very quick acceleration. The LCD screen is bright, and you can clearly see the speed even on a bright day. Even though this is an adult commuting scooter, I think it is a bit short for me. I had to hunch down a little bit to reach the handlebars. It is not that bad, and we have tested other scooters with lower height in the past, but it might be uncomfortable for taller folks if used for an extended period of time. This is amazing for teenagers and folks under 5 foot 9 inches, I would say, and I'm not a big fan of this stick-on rubber deck mats. Even though they are easier to clean, I just personally prefer the group deck tape with anti-slip features. Overall, the Fifth Wheel M2 scooter is a great commuting scooter for all ages and provides somewhat of a thrilling experience. This is not the most powerful scooter and doesn't provide higher than 15.5 miles per hour speed, but it's a great choice for a price of being under $500 and still offering a durable scooter with a powerful motor and higher capacity battery. That'll do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. Thank you.